Alright, so in problem number 19, I'm not going to write the whole problem out. It takes up too much space. But what I want to look at is the fact that we have a simple ratio problem, and we're going to use that ratio problem to solve a proportion. So we have Greg, who has a boat that used 7 gallons of gas in 3 hours. We want to know how many gallons of gas is his boat going to use in 5 hours. So the first thing it asks us is to write a word ratio. And remember, a ratio is just two numbers that are being compared to each other. And we said you can write them with a colon, with the word to, or as a fraction. I'd much rather see this one as a fraction. So in words, what is it we're comparing? The two things we are comparing are gallons of gas, and that's being compared to a time, the number of hours that is being the boat is being run to use that amount of gas. So every time we write a proportion, or any time we write a ratio, the gallons are going to go on top and the hours on the bottom. So let's look at this and see what we have. We were told that we used 7 gallons in 3 hours. And we were asked to find, which is going to be this other part of the proportion, how much gas is used in 5 hours. Hours goes on the bottom, so 5. And how many, we don't know, so we use X on the top. This problem now becomes a simple proportion. We multiply 5 times 7, which is 35. And we multiply 3 times x, which is just 3x. To solve for x, we divide by 3. And we're left with 35 over 3, which cannot be reduced, equals x.